Hello guys, welcome back. You're watching. It's winters now and it's freezing spine up. Not only your hair suffers, so does your skin. Moreover, these winter skin problems are very complicated and tough to get rid of them. It's pretty common that you and I suffer from dull, dry and flaky skin. Apart from these, winter tan is the most annoying thing to get rid of. So in today's video, I'm bringing a very simple solution for all these problems. These remedies suits for all skin types. To have a beautiful and flawless skin this winter, let's get into the video. No matter what skin type you have, dull, dry and moistureless skin is all we have in winters. To get rid of this, here's a simple solution.
To a bowl, add half tablespoon of wild turmeric, 1 spoon of fresh milk cream and mix this well. Massage this cream on your face and leave it for 25 minutes and then wash it off. This pack moisturizes the skin, removes dead skin cells and makes skin glowing.
Winter takes away moisture from your skin, leaving it dry, itchy and flaky. To retain the moisture, here's the solution.
Warm up the sesame oil using double boiler method and massage this on your legs, face and hands and leave it for 1 hour and then wash it off. Sesame oil is very useful in moisturizing the skin and keeping it healthy and flawless. It also boosts collagen and bringing in a beautiful skin.
Winters or summers, tanning is a common problem. To remove the tan in winters, here's a simple and the best solution.
Take a bowl, add a spoon of besan or chickpea flour, a pinch of wild turmeric, 2 tablespoons of curd and then mix well. Apply this mixture on face and hands and let it dry for about 25 minutes and then scrub it off. For better results, do it in the night. You can also use this mask 1 or 2 times a week.
That's it for today. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you liked it. Please do like and share it with all of your friends. Before going back to the homepage, do subscribe my channel and see you all in the next video. Until then, bye bye. Take care.